In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Discord not opening or showing black screen. Let's get started. First, right-click on the taskbar, select the option Task Manager. Navigate to the Processes tab. Here, search for Discord. Once it appears, right-click on it and select the option In Task. Next, right-click on the Start menu. Search for Run. Once it appears, now type in %app data % and press enter. This will open a folder window. Search for the Discord folder. Once it appears, right-click on it and delete the entire folder. Likewise, again search for Run. Now type in %local app data % and press enter. Once again, search for the folder Discord. Once it appears, right-click on it and select the option Delete and confirm it. Now launch your Settings app. Head over to the option Apps. Click on the option Installed Apps. Search for Discord. Once it appears, click on 3 dots, select the option Uninstall. Now, navigate to the official website of Discord and install it. With these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.